Welcome to the Before You Begin lesson. In this lesson, we'll start by getting the source code so that you can follow along with the videos and execute the code in parallel if you'd like. Next, I'll take a look at the structure of the examples folder that you'll extract from the downloaded zip file containing the source code. Then we'll talk about installing and updating the Anaconda Python distribution, which is the specific distribution we used to develop the corresponding book and these videos. I'll talk about two different Python package managers that you'll use throughout these videos as you install new Python libraries to work with our examples or on your own as well. Next, we'll install the Jupyter Matplotlib library or module so that you can execute some of our animated examples in the context of a tool called Jupyter Notebooks, which also comes with the Anaconda Python distribution. You're going to probably want to register yourself for a Twitter developer account, so we'll talk about doing that as well. We have a chapter or a lesson in the videos here called Data Mining Twitter, in which we will use a Python library called Tweepy and the Twitter APIs to receive tweet streams and to search for tweets and to process those tweets. But you can't use the Twitter APIs without first having a Twitter developer account. So we'll talk about where you can go to register for one of those. And then finally, at the end of this lesson, we'll take a look at where you can get your questions answered.